close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys this makeup tutorial right here. I just want to let you guys know I'm so sorry for my absence. I've been MIA for a week, almost 2 weeks for the same thing. I got a new camera. I got super excited to record for you guys. I recorded I think 2 videos with the camera, and then I recorded more videos, and recently I just got a puppy, you guys. Yes, oh, he's so cute, all this stuff. But you guys, I was editing one of my videos and I have a tablecloth on my table. Mexican problems, I know. And he's a puppy, so he wants to play. He always wants to be the attention. He just basically wants all eyes on him, to play with him and cuddle with him. And obviously I wasn't ignoring him, like my husband was home and all that, but I was obviously editing a video and he pulled the tablecloth and the laptop fell. He wasn't cute. I was mad and I was like, what the heck? I don't have a video to go up. I don't even have a video at all. So I decided to go out and obviously wait until I got a computer because my phone has no storage, like it sucks. But yeah, you guys, I'm so sorry for my absence. I've seen I gained 5 new subscribers. Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Sorry for the absence, but I'm here again. I'm back for you guys to be able to see my videos. If you're new to this channel, welcome to my channel. What's up? I have a giveaway for you guys today because I missed you guys and you guys deserve it for being loyal, for being subscribed, for not leaving. But yeah, you guys deserve it, so I'm here to give you guys a giveaway. So if you guys haven't seen my Bold Obsessions video with the new Milani palettes, well, I'll leave it linked somewhere around here, down below. I'll be giving away one of those palettes to you guys. It's a new one. Obviously, it's not going to be the one I swatched and already used. I'll be giving to you guys Bold Obsessions. I wanted to give you guys both, but obviously they didn't have it. If not, I would have had both. Just going to show you guys real quick. This isn't my palette. This is an actual palette. The actual palette. And this is what it looks like. Not swatched. Brand new. I'm not trying to touch it as much because it is brand new. Alright, so you guys can win this little palette. And it's just like basically a thank you giveaway for you guys being subscribed and stuff. And then because I have a puppy and it's so hard, like he kept on like messing with the thing, so I had to stop, like press little control to stop the camera because it was like shaking. And I just had to throw him outside real quick with my husband because oh my god, he was not, like, it was not cute. But yeah, you guys, I miss you guys so much, but let's get into the video.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase and leave.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys do, thank you so much. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. Give me a comment, and obviously good luck to the girls that entered the giveaway. Thank you for being loyal. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.